Derivation of Sridharacharya formula. Let the standard form of equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Multiplying both sides by 4a, then 4a square x square plus 4abx plus 4a into c equal to 0. Then we make 4a square x square as a form ax का whole square plus 2 into 2ax into b, then transfer 4ac on right hand side, minus 4ac. Now add b square on both sides. Then 2ax whole square plus 2 into 2ax into b plus b square equal to minus 4ac plus b square. Then 2ax whole square plus b square plus 2 into 2ax is the twice ax plus b whole square. Therefore b square minus 4ac. Then taking square root, twice ax plus b equal to square root of b square minus 4ac plus minus. Then twice ax equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. Then x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is the Sridharacharya formula for the quadratic equation. You understand? Thank you.